I'm a singer by gift, and just words were just beautiful to me, and I knew that's what I was destined to do.
She's sharing her gift with the nation. Find out how you can read all about it up next with Miss Studio Pro.
Don't you waste another minute on your feet, there's much to do. There's a plan, why aren't you in it? Purpose written just for you. Find your place in God today. Share your gifts, no more delay. We're waiting for you.
Twyla Mejai is a national celebrity author from Atlanta who began writing poetry, music, and short stories at the age of 9. However, most of her work has been in the music industry, as she also serves as CEO of a full-service entertainment firm. Mejai began her book writing professionally 3 years ago and has since released 2 novels, including a children's book entitled Mommy, Why Is My Skin So Dark?
It's a book of inspiration for girls of all colors and all hues to let them know that they're beautiful and God made us for a purpose, and to just live in that color or, feature that He blessed us with, and to own it.
Let's talk a little bit about your beginnings as an author. Tell us about some of the struggles. A lot of people who are trying to get into their, what they believe is their calling.
Right.
Tell us about some of the trials that you had.
Well, basically, I've been blessed actually along that way, because I do have a background in the music industry. So I've had so many people that have blessed me with the knowledge and connections to actually put my book out. But as a new author, there are so many people that try to take advantage, of you not knowing the business. I actually had, people come to me to try to offer me maybe, the bare minimum, 75 cents or $1, per book sale. And I basically took what I knew and said, hey, I could do this myself without somebody taking advantage of, me not being actually educated in the book industry. So basically, I just took what I knew and ran with it.
How did you stay the course?
I just, I have a strong faith in God, and I come from a long line of, praying warriors. So, I just prayed and I kept my faith, and I knew that's what I was destined to do, and I wasn't going to let anybody stop me, doing what God had planned for me to do.
And this book is one of how many books that you've written?
It's 2. I actually have a novel, and the sequel is coming very soon. And I also have a follow-up to my children's book, but this is the second book.
What kind of encouraging word could you give to someone, not just who's wanting to be an author?
First, it starts with a vision, and you have to keep with that vision and stay the path, no matter what, branches fall down or what obstacles or storms come your way. Stay focused, stay on the path that God, has for you, and just trust in Him. Just trust in Him when all other things fail. Just trust in Him.
If you'd like to request Mejai for book club discussions, appearances, or speaking engagements, go to www.twylamejai.com for details. Or you can also visit her on Facebook or Twitter.com.